The app still says, out for delivery, but it's already getting late in the evening, and I still haven't received any call, message, or update from the delivery person.
Weren't they supposed to deliver the package sometime this afternoon according to the delivery schedule shown in the app?
Yes, that's exactly why I've been checking the tracking page almost every hour since morning because I was really excited to receive it today.
I think you've refreshed that tracking page so many times that you probably know every single update by heart now.
Very funny. I've been waiting for this order all week, so of course I'm excited and a little impatient.
What exactly did you order that has made you so eager to watch the tracking page all day long?
I ordered a beautiful dress for our cousin's engagement function next week, and I was hoping to try it on as soon as it arrived.
Hopefully it gets delivered today because I know you've been talking about that dress ever since you placed the order.
At this point, I think everyone in this house is waiting for your package, not just you.
That's probably true because I've mentioned it so many times that everyone already knows every detail about it. I can't believe the entire day has passed and the package still hasn't arrived, even though the app kept saying it would be delivered today.
Maybe the delivery person couldn't finish all the deliveries scheduled for today because sometimes they get delayed unexpectedly.
That happens quite often during busy shopping seasons when companies receive more orders than usual.
I would completely understand a delay if they informed me properly, but there hasn't been any useful update at all. That's because I was genuinely excited about receiving it and wanted to make sure I didn't miss the delivery.
Let's wait until tomorrow morning and see if the tracking information changes.
I hope so because I really don't want any problems with this order after waiting so long. The expected delivery date has officially passed, and my package is still nowhere to be seen, which is becoming very frustrating.
Did the tracking page show any new information when you checked it this morning?
Yes, and that's exactly what makes this situation even more confusing than before.
What does it say now?
It says, delivery attempted, but nobody came to our house yesterday and nobody even called me.
That's impossible because I was at home almost the entire afternoon and never saw any delivery person nearby.
If nobody came here, then the tracking update clearly doesn't match what actually happened.
Exactly. That's why I'm becoming more frustrated every time I open the app.
You should contact customer support because something clearly went wrong.
Hello, I'm calling because my order hasn't been delivered even though the delivery date has already passed.
We're very sorry for the inconvenience. Please allow me a moment to check the details of your order.
I've been waiting for 2 days now, and the tracking information doesn't seem accurate at all.
According to our records, the delivery team reported that they couldn't reach the delivery location.
That doesn't make sense because my address is correct, and I've received many online orders at this same location before without any issues.
I understand your concern, and I sincerely apologize for the inconvenience caused.
Nobody called me, nobody sent a message, and nobody visited the house, so I don't understand how a delivery attempt could have failed.
We will investigate the matter and contact the delivery team for more information.
I would really appreciate that because I need a clear answer about what happened to my order.
What did customer support say after you explained the entire situation to them?
They claimed that the delivery team couldn't find our address, which honestly makes absolutely no sense to me.
That's strange because we've received many online orders at this same address without facing any problems before.
Exactly. That's why I'm finding it difficult to believe their explanation.
Sometimes mistakes happen during the delivery process, but hopefully they'll investigate the matter properly.
I really hope so because I've already spent several days waiting for this package.
Try not to stress too much about it until they give you a final update.
I'm trying to stay patient, but it's becoming more frustrating every day. Mom, you're honestly not going to believe what I just saw on the shopping app.
What happened now? Did they finally locate the package?
No. They've canceled the order completely, and now they're saying a refund will be issued instead.
After making you wait for so many days, they've simply canceled it?
Yes, and nobody contacted me before making that decision.
I completely understand why you're upset, because anyone would feel disappointed in this situation.
The most frustrating part is that I never wanted a refund. I wanted the dress that I spent so much time choosing.
I know, Sometimes the disappointment isn't about the money, it's about the time, effort, and excitement you invested.
I spent hours comparing products, reading reviews, checking sizes, and selecting the perfect dress, and now I have nothing to show for it.
I can understand why you're disappointed because you were genuinely excited about receiving that order.
The cancellation itself is frustrating, but the way they handled everything makes it even worse.
That's true. Better communication could have prevented a lot of frustration.
If they had informed me earlier, I could have ordered something else immediately.
Exactly. That's why customer service is just as important as the product itself.
I never thought about it that way before.
Experiences like this teach us what to look for when shopping online. Why don't we start looking for another dress from a different seller with better ratings and delivery reviews?
I think that's my only option now because I still need something for the engagement function.
Thankfully, the event is still several days away, so you still have enough time.
That's true. If this had happened one day before the function, would probably be panicking right now.
That's exactly why planning is always a smart decision.
You're right. At least I still have enough time to find something else.
And now you'll make a more informed decision because of this experience.
The refund has finally been credited to my account this morning, so at least that part is over now.
That's good news, even though I know it's not the outcome you originally wanted.
Yes, I'm happy to get my money back, but I still wish I had received the dress instead.
Especially after talking about the dress almost every single day for an entire week.
Thanks for reminding me about that.
I'm just saying everyone in the house knew how excited you were.
That's true. I probably talked about it more than I should have.
At least now you'll be much smarter when shopping online in the future.